Hello everyone, welcome back to Esprit Academy. Today we are exploring the exciting world of transportation, distribution and logistics. From moving goods across the globe to designing autonomous vehicle systems, this industry is all about keeping things moving. Let's talk about the current career opportunities available in this field. Truck drivers transport goods over long distances using trucks. Logisticians plan and manage the movement of goods, services, and information. Warehouse managers oversee operations, inventory, and distribution in warehouses. Pilots and flight engineers operate aircraft to transport passengers and cargo. Ship captains and mates navigate ships for transporting goods and passengers by water. Railroad conductors and yard masters coordinate the movement of trains and rail cars. Air traffic controllers manage aircraft routing, takeoff, and landing within controlled airspace. Delivery drivers transport goods locally to customers or businesses. Freight brokers connect shippers with the carriers to facilitate transportation. Dispatchers coordinate with drivers, pilots, or captains to ensure smooth operations. Now, let's discuss how advancements in technology and AI are transforming these roles and shaping the future of these jobs in this industry. Drone pilots for delivery operate drones to deliver packages in various industries. Autonomous vehicle technicians maintain and troubleshoot self-driving vehicles. Transportation planners for autonomous vehicles develop strategies for integrating autonomous vehicles into transportation network. Last mile delivery coordinators optimize short distance and same-day delivery processes. Hyperloop technicians work on developing and maintaining high-speed hyperloop systems. Urban air mobility specialists plan for air taxis and urban air mobility solutions. EV charging station technicians install and maintain charging stations for electric vehicles. Supply chain sustainability managers implement sustainable practices in transportation and logistics. Logistics technology analysts use tech like IoT and data analytics to improve logistics efficiency. Transportation security specialists ensure the security of transportation systems and protocols. Love what you do what you love.